Breaking AI news. Google just made its most powerful AI model, Gemini 2.5 Pro, absolutely free for everyone. This is the same model that recently outperformed GPT-4 in multiple benchmarks, and now, you don't need a subscription to use it. What does this mean for OpenAI? Is Gemini finally dethroning ChatGPT? And why is Google suddenly giving away its crown jewel? We're diving deep into this move that could shake the AI world to its core. But before we jump in, hit subscribe and smash that bell icon. We bring you the most important AI news first. Don't miss out! Let's get started. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is Gemini 2.5 Pro? Developed by Google DeepMind, Gemini 2.5 Pro is their flagship large language model, created to go head-to-head with ChatGPT 4, Claude 3, and Qwen 2.5. It excels in code generation, math and logic reasoning, context handling, up to 1 million tokens, multimodal understanding, blazing fast response times. In recent benchmarks, it even outperformed GPT-4 in mathematical reasoning and scientific writing. Let's talk strategy. Why would Google make such a powerful tool free? Because this isn't just about revenue. It's about long-term dominance. Google's goals with this move: 1. Win the largest global user base. 2. Get millions of users feeding Gemini with real-world data. 3. Lure creators, students, and coders away from ChatGPT. 4. Undercut OpenAI's paid model. It's a classic Google move. Think YouTube versus Vimeo, Gmail versus Hotmail, Chrome versus Firefox. The best product doesn't always win. The most adopted one does. And now, Gemini 2.5 Pro is free at gemini.google.com. Let's get into the face-off we've all been waiting for. Gemini 2.5 Pro versus ChatGPT 4. In key tests, Gemini wins in logic-heavy tasks. Gemini handles long documents and PDFs better. ChatGPT still leads in storytelling and humor, but ChatGPT 4 is paywalled. Gemini 2.5 Pro is now free. Game changed. Drop your verdict in the comments. Gemini or ChatGPT, who wins? Ready to try Gemini Pro? Here's how. 1. Go to gemini.google.com. 2. Log in with your Google account. 3. Prompt away. No payment, no limit. Pro tip. Try it for 1. Explaining complex topics. 2. Summarizing long PDFs. 3. Writing code. Creating YouTube scripts like this one. This move could reshape the AI world. Here's why. OpenAI and Microsoft will be forced to evolve free access equals mass innovation. Gemini might become the Google of AI, but big questions remain. Will Gemini stay free? Will Google monetize it with ads later? Is this the start of the AI platform war? Let's talk real talk. More users equal more data for Google. Free access equals higher risk of misuse. No paywall equals easier for bad actors to spread disinfo, spam, or deepfakes. So while it's a huge win for accessibility, it's also a moment for caution. Today's story. Gemini 2.5 Pro is now free to the public. It's Google's boldest move yet in the AI arms race. But what's next? Will OpenAI respond? Will Gemini 3 drop soon? Will xAI or DeepSeek fire back? The only way to stay ahead? Subscribe to AI Horizon Daily. We bring you breaking AI news, leaks, and power plays first, before they trend. Comment below. Have you tried Gemini 2.5 Pro yet? Does it feel like a ChatGPT killer? Thanks for watching. This is just the beginning. See you in the next AI drop.